Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump untuk pertama kalinya membela Hamas dalam perang melawan Israel di Gaza. Donald Trump meyakinkan Hamas bahwa ia akan menjaga mereka. Pernyataan itu disampaikan dalam pertemuan dengan Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu di Gedung Putih sejak Senin 7 Juli hingga Selasa 8 Juli 2025. Trump mengklaim pertempuran di Gaza akan benar-benar berhenti selama gencatan senjata 60 hari antara Israel dan Hamas. Bahkan menurut Trump, pertempuran di Gaza tidak akan berlanjut meski gencatan senjata 60 hari berakhir. Hamas mengaku sudah merespons positif usulan dari Washington, namun mereka mengajukan 3 amandemen atau permintaan tambahan yang tidak dapat diterima Israel. Sementara itu, utusan Amerika Serikat Steve Witkoff mengatakan Israel dan Hamas telah menyelesaikan 3 dari 4 masalah yang dibahas di Doha. Diketahui bahwa selama ini hal yang selalu menyebabkan kebuntuan kesepakatan gencatan senjata antara Hamas dan Israel adalah kehadiran IDF di Gaza. Masalah ini menyentuh inti pilihan yang dihadapi Israel untuk mengakhiri perang dan menarik diri dari Gaza dengan semua sandera. Namun Hamas tetap sebagai entitas atau menduduki Gaza secara militer tanpa batas waktu.
What is the holdup currently in a ceasefire with Hamas?
In which?
In a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas, what's currently the holdup?
I don't think there is a holdup. I don't think there's a holdup. I think things are going along very well. We just, left each other, and it was not a pleasant period of a few days. It was a little longer than a few days, but this was not a pleasant period of time. And, we were, at the end, 14 missiles were shot, and every single missile was shot out of the air. It was pretty amazing. That was sort of the end. And they told us they were coming and where they were and what time they were coming. And they said, if you'd like to have a different time, we'll do that. And that's respect when they do that. I appreciated that they did that. There was no surprise. We got the soldiers out of the base in Qatar, in this case. But they knew they were coming. 14 missiles were coming. 1 o'clock, they said, would you like to make it later? They said, no, let them come at 1 o'clock. And at 1 o'clock, everybody was, as you know, over 5,000 people left the base. And we had 3 gunners and 3 assistants. And out of the 14 that were shot, all 14 were knocked out. And that was the end. That was about it. And we had a rough time, but sometimes you need the rough time in order to get. I think things are going to be really settled down a lot in the Middle East, and they respect us and they respect Israel. They respect a lot of things that took place. Nobody's ever seen equipment like what we sent over to knock out those sites. But when those sites were knocked out, it essentially that was the end.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.